So we got a lot to do today, and we're gonna try this silly vlog thing.
It's like it's morning or something. I know you're not gonna like it. Let's change the diaper. Yay! Go potty. Let go of the blanket. Let go of the blanket. There you go.
Good morning. You gonna let me get anything done today? Should we wave goodbye to Daddy? Look at my dirty window. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Work ate Daddy. He'll be back. Yeah. The first thing all the vloggers do is they have to make tea, right? That's what you're supposed to do. Because I can't have coffee. No, no, not in the mouth. Not in the mouth. We're going to attempt to get something done while he's playing with the bottle.
Bedtime herbal tea in the morning because we have insomnia and we're lucky if we fall asleep anyways. What is going on? Oh, that's bizarre. Look at that, the string is like inside. Never seen this before. I don't think it's supposed to be that way. Let's see if the other ones are like that. They are. That's so bizarre. He's done. Oh, hey, no. No. Ah, arrow. No, 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 no. No, hey. It's, oh gosh, what do you have? What do you have? I've been pulling mud chunks out of your face for days. Now you can't reach the floor. Here's your blanket. Here's your bottle. I gotta make tea. Fine, don't take it. Back to this calming experience of pouring tea, which is pretty laughable at this point. See, tea, we have accomplished something. Okay, so breakfast has been had and the child is happy for a little bit. I need to work on a sewing project and then we're hopefully gonna go to Hobby Lobby later today. So we'll see what happens. And now we check on the child to make sure all is well. Hi, are you doing good? You're not getting into trouble, are you? You want the kitty? I forgot I had tea. It's usually cold by now. It's still warm. What are you doing? Leave kitty's water alone. No. Good job. Well, yes, thank you for your assistance. Okay, let's sew another line here. Ambitious, maybe, but I can hope. Not in your mouth. Oh, okay. How about a green one? No, not in your mouth. Okay. How about a yellow one? No, not in the mouth. Okay, how about another green one? No, not in the mouth. You can chew on those. It's already getting cold. One failed nap and change of plans and back to my sewing machine later. My tea is completely cold. I see you've gotten a little adventurous. Get that out of your mouth. Let's go spend some time in the Ferrari. In the Ferrari, which means nothing goes in the mouth. Haha. Okay, so it is like 3 in the afternoon. I feel like I've gotten basically nothing done, which isn't true. I've got some things done. I've mostly done with my sewing project. My tea is not finished. It is completely cold. I need to get out of the house. We need to get out of the house. Ready to go?
Off we go. Let's go have some fun today. I am so over it. You can't see anything over the snowbanks, which is great. So I am here at Hobby Lobby. See? Hobby Lobby. Oh, there it is. Okay. And I have forgotten my list. So I am going to spend some money and hope that I buy everything on that list. Let's go. Very nice lady just handed us this cart and said it was just freshly sanitized. So that's amazing. That's awesome. Thank you, Hobby Lobby. What do you think, Arrow? Let's go get some stuff. This is cool. Got some watercolor pencils. I've been hearing a lot about the Faber-Castell Polychromos. Haven't tried them yet, and I probably won't today, but I am in the market for a colorless blending pencil by Prismacolor, which I am currently having a hard time finding. But something that I always watch for whenever I'm buying the individual pencils is whether or not these are centered, because if they're off center, you can kind of see this one a little bit. It's more thin on this side, because when they are like that, they don't sharpen the best. Okay, so we have a pack of 2. You can kind of see through the package a little bit. It's blurry. There we go. So those aren't too bad, but it's hard when you can't pick them out specifically, and this is the only pack here. So, here you go, Arrow. Thank you, sir. Next up, I'm looking for some ink pens because I have been trying some different stuff and wanting to just have something where I don't have to use like the dip ink kind of things like that, which I love, but we want some simplicity as well. And here we have paint, because paint is fun, right? I actually don't really like to paint all that much, but I do quite a lot of painting anyways. So I primarily have actually gone with like these really cheap tubes and whatnot, and I only get like the primary colors, just like 1 or 2 blues, 1 or 2 reds, and 1 or 2 yellows, each that are like a warmer tone and each that are a cooler tone, because you can mix everything else. So, but I have been thinking more and more about trying more professional quality acrylic and just seeing what happens. I don't know if that's today or not, but it's a possibility. And also in the market are some nicer paintbrushes, because once I tried my Grumbacher round number 6, it was kind of a life changer. So I do kind of want to find a nicer one that is a little larger, because that one was good for detailing, but I didn't have anything for laying in larger blocks. Palette knife or paintbrush? You like that palette knife, huh? I think we'll get both. Both is good. Right? And we are venturing down the yarn aisle because I have to get a few simple colors for a baby shower. So yeah, pick out some colors. Those are mini chalkboard signs. That's awesome. This is a water-soluble graphite set. I've never even heard of that before, but wondering if it would be worth a try at some point. I gotta figure out to prioritize what I want here. We are in kind of the leather tooling stuff, which I haven't done any leather tooling for a while, but I was kind of thinking of restocking, so that's an option. Ooh, they got more. That's cool. Ooh, barbed wire, that's cool. Ooh, these are cool too. I haven't done a whole lot with jewelry in a while either, but these are kind of neat. Oh, those are really, really cool. This one, that's awesome. So many things. I hate Hobby Lobby. It's great. Ooh, those two. Oh, those are neat. Are you getting impatient? Hi. Yeah. Are you having any fun at all? Any fun at all? But I just wanted to point out that Hobby Lobby has glass. They've actually got the grind. They've literally got everything. Okay. Another one of those hobbies that I don't need to get into. I always tell people I need another hobby like I need another hole in my head. Oh, and I haven't done glass etching in a while. Oh, I could do a whole bunch of fun things with this one too. I can't be here. I really can't. Arrow, your father didn't give me enough money. Oh, yeah, you gotta stop here. Look at the arrows. Somebody's patience is growing thin, so we might have to cut this short. And more things that I don't need but totally want.
This is awful. Why do I come here? Buddy, we're headed to the checkout. After I look at this stuff real quick. I love the arrangements. Like, it's seriously awesome how they just arrange their displays. And I would love to know who some of the actual artists are for some of these, because these are stinking brilliant. It's awesome. Girl, I think you need a sloth mat. Or a tiger, or an elephant. Yeah. Oh, careful, buddy. No! Alright, buddy, are you ready to go home? Should we go see Daddy? Let's go. Also, sorry if I was talking rather quiet. You know, that typical, hey, I'm videoing myself in a random store and talking to myself loudly. Looks a little weird. So, sorry for that. I'm sure you'll be able to hear plenty of me just geeking out over stuff. Oh, I have to take him out. Sad. Okay, so it's been a day. I definitely overspent. But more, okay, I overspent by like $20. However, I spent way more than $20 on stuff for other people, so it's justified because I'm nice like that. Who am I kidding? I just make stuff for people so that I can spend more and feed my hobby. Actually, that's not true either. My husband has a hard time getting me to spend money on anything. So, thank you, YouTube. You have justified my spending. Back to sewing. Okay, so Arrow's going to sleep. David's putting him down. It's been a long day, and my tea is still here. So, the only thing you can do at this stage of the day, when life gives you cold tea, put it over ice and make it look intentional.